Another video from Fast Tech. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the front power button, sync button, eject button, and RF board on an Xbox One S. If your Xbox One S is not turning on and you've already ruled out the power supply, which is the first thing you should check, and you've ruled out the motherboard, your powering issue might be caused by the on-off button. Or if your on-off button's broken, like if you can't press this button anymore, I don't feel the click, or one of these don't work, or the eject button, or the sync button. So in that case, you're gonna have to replace this module. We sell this on our website at fasttechstore.com or fasttech.ca. I'm gonna be putting links in the description box for this and our Fast Tech Pro Toolkit, which you're gonna need to disassemble this Xbox One S. And you can also use this kit to disassemble other electronics. Links in the description box. You can use the coupon code YouTube for a discount. All right, to start our disassembly, we're gonna look at the back of our Xbox. Normally there's a sticker here, but that sticker is already removed because somebody has already opened up this Xbox before we got it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a knife. We're gonna stick it in here. You're gonna remove the adhesive first. There's tape here. We're going to remove that, and then there's going to be adhesive around this tab. You can run your blade, you can run your knife through here just to get that off. Then we're going to stick our knife in here and gently lift up the plate away. As you can see, this one's already cracked here because it has been opened up in the past, so there is a crack here already. All right, now that we've gotten this clip off, then we're gonna run our blade on the side. All right, and then we're just gonna pry it off. There's clips on the side. Just pry them off. Careful with the plastic. This side's come off. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Pry it off, run it down the side. Once this comes off, then this whole piece is just gonna come off. You can just lift it off. And now the bottom cover's off. We're gonna put that to the side. Now, to get to where we're going, we only need to remove the green screws. These are long bolts that hold the top case on. You're gonna need a Torx T10 for this job, which is right here in our toolkit. So we're gonna get our T10, put it on. Then we're gonna remove these long green bolts that hold the case in. Well, once we've got these Torx T10 bolts out, we're gonna lift the console, look at the back here, and we're gonna lift up the sides like that, and then lift up the top, and it's gonna come off like that. Okay. Now, we're gonna lift the console up. That's our power button right there. That's what we're replacing. We're gonna be putting our new one in. Again, links in the description for this. There's 4 Torx T8 screws here that we're gonna remove. And we're gonna get our Torx T8 bit from the kit. It's a T8H. It also works with PS4s and PS3s, but in this case, we're gonna be using it for Xbox. We're gonna lift it up. We're gonna remove these Torx T8 screws that hold it in. We can just lift it out like that. It's got a connector underneath and it's just gonna lift out. And then we're gonna put our new one in, okay? Out with the old, in with the new. We're gonna line it up with our connector and we're gonna push it down. Once it's in, we're gonna reinstall the screws. And that's it. Now we can start reassembling it. There's some dust here that we're gonna clean out before we reassemble this thing. We're gonna use an air duster to clean out the vents. We sell this on our website as well. Links in the description box. Now we're gonna start reassembling this Xbox. We're gonna install the top case back on. You're gonna wanna install the front first. We're gonna stand up the console, put the front on, kind of like a mask. And then at the back, it should line up like this. Both sides should be flush like this, flat. And now we're gonna install the screws that we removed. Now that we got the screws in, we're gonna install the bottom panel back on. So for this as well, the front goes on first, like that. All right, like that, and then line up the back. Like that, make sure it all clips in. The front, you're gonna hear the clips click in. And we're done, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to our channel for more Xbox related content. And I'll catch you in the next one.